To fix a Chase credit card being declined, follow these steps. First, verify your account information to ensure everything is up to date. Check your credit card expiration date, billing address, and phone number to confirm they are current. If any of this information is incorrect, update it through the Chase website or mobile app. Next, check your available credit limit to ensure you have enough funds to make the purchase. You can do this by logging into your Chase account online or through the mobile app. If you are close to your credit limit, consider making a payment to free up more credit. Another common reason for a declined credit card is a security hold. Chase may place a hold on your account if they suspect suspicious activity. To resolve this, contact Chase customer service directly to verify your identity and confirm the transaction. They will guide you through the process of lifting the hold. Additionally, check for any recurring payments or subscriptions that may be causing your card to decline. If you have any automatic payments set up, ensure they are not exceeding your available credit limit. You can also consider setting up account alerts to notify you when your credit limit is low or when a large transaction is processed. To prevent your Chase credit card from declining in the future, monitor your account activity regularly and keep your contact information up to date. You can also set up travel notifications if you plan to use your card abroad, as this can help prevent unnecessary security holds. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can minimize the likelihood of your Chase credit card being declined. Remember to always keep your account information current and monitor your activity closely to avoid any issues. If you continue to experience problems, contact Chase customer service for further assistance.